Hello junior college families, boys and girls. I hope you guys are all listening to mom and dad. I hope everyone is keeping safe and managing to keep themselves busy. I'm Coach Erin, and today we are going to be doing a full body workout together, but you only need two things, okay? You need to bring your water. Number one, he's going to be your best friend, so keep him very close by. And number two, you need lots of energy. So I want us first to just walk around, grab all the energy we can grab. Just grab all of it. All around. There you go. Grab all of it. Nicely done, nicely done. Okay, boys and girls, as normal, we always need to stretch and loosen our body and warm up before we do any physical activity, okay? So I want everyone to go like this, go zoop, and let's go zoop, and let's just go from side to side for Coach. So watch, Coach's arms are out, and he's just going side to side. His feet are staying forwards, straight legs, and just side to side like a corkscrew. There we go. Good job, good job. Just from one side to the other, just to loosen up. There we go. And I want you guys to keep your legs straight, push your arms up. Keep your legs open like that for Coach. And we're going to be a big tree in the wind, okay? So we're going to go down from one side, and we're going to blow in the wind all the way to the other side. And again to the other side. Keep those legs straight. And we're just blowing in the wind from one side to the other. There we go. And again. And again. And let's do one more. There we go. And I want you to put both hands up. And now we're going to take one hand and we're going to go down to each foot. Okay, so one hand on each foot. Keep your legs straight. Keep your feet facing forwards and touch your toes for Coach. There we go. And stretch up to the sky. And touch the floor in the middle. Touch the ground in the middle of your feet. And I want you guys to touch your toes again. Touch your toes. And grab your ankles. Grab your ankles for Coach. And we're going to shuffle. Keep your legs straight. Just shuffle in for Coach. Keep them straight. Keep them straight. Hands on your ankles. And back out. Keep those legs straight. There we go. Good job, guys. Good job. And stretch up to the sky. Stretch up to the sky. There we go. And I want to see, are we a little bit more loose? There we go, a little bit more. And now we're going to see if your brain is awake, okay? So you got to wake up. Okay, so everyone first, you're going to turn on your listening ears. Go, chick, chick. There you go. Okay, now you're going to take your hands and you're going to try and copy Coach. Put your hands on your head, on your shoulders, on your tummy, on your knees, on your toes, on your knees, on your tummy, on your shoulders, on your head. And I want you guys to go on one shoulder, two hands on the other shoulder, two hands on one knee, two hands on the other knee, and clap behind your knee, and clap behind the other knee, and clap up here, and behind the knee, and behind the other knee, and up here again, and behind one knee, and another one, and hands on your shoulders, and crisscross, and on your tummy, and your knees, and crisscross, and again, and on your toes, and up in the sky. There we go. I think our mind's a little bit more awake, okay? So now we can warm up. We're going to get our body a little bit more warm. Going to get our muscles ready for today's workouts, okay? So first we're going to skip. So what we want to do, Coach wants to see, we're going to skip on the spot. So we're just going to go up and hop on the other foot. And up and hop and hop and hop. And then we're going to go a little bit faster and a little bit faster and a little bit faster. And there we go, nice and fast together. Good job, good job. Keep skipping, on the spot. All done, all done. And just jog for Coach. Nice and gently, just jog. Just jog. Just jog, and let's jog around in a circle. Jog around in a circle. Jog around in a circle. There we go, and back again. And back again. Awesome stuff. And now what you're going to do is put your feet together for Coach and open them just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're going to pretend there's a rope. Okay, so we're going to jump from one side to the other and over, from side to side, just side to side. Pretend there's a rope that we're going over in the middle. Let's go. Side to side. Good job, good job. And I want you guys now to turn, and we're going to go over the same rope, but we're going to go backwards and forwards, and backwards and forwards, over the rope. There we go. Good job. And I feel like we're a little bit more warm. Go grab your water, guys. Now we've done our warm up, get some water. There we go. Yeah, awesome guys. Take a deep breath and out. Moms and dads, please remember to send some photos or videos through to your teachers. Coach misses all his students a lot, and I'd really love to see them taking part and doing activities with me today. Thank you. Okay, you guys ready? We're going to carry on going. What you're going to do is we're going to go sideways like a crab. We're not going to bend our knees, we're just going to go from side to side. So watch our coach is kicking side, side, and again. And just from one side to the other. Just one side to the other. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. And again. Keep going. And one more. There we go. I want you guys to take your hands, put your palms together in front of your chest, and you're just going to push your arms together as hard as you can. Push them together. Push, push, push. Keep this straight across. And push. Push them together. Keep them in the middle. And keep pushing as hard as you can, as hard as you can. Should start shaking. There you go. There you go. And relax. There we go. And I want you guys now to take your fists. And we're going to go around in a circle in front of coach. So just like this. We're going to go around and around. And keep going, keep going. Start off nice and slowly. Start off nice and slowly. And then we're going to get a little bit faster. And a little bit faster. And as fast as you can go. Go as fast as you can go. Quick, 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 quick. Fast, 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 fast. There we go. Well done, well done. Good job, guys. Good job. And shake out those arms. Shake out those arms. Now I want you guys to make fists. Make fists. And put them on your hips. Put them on your hip. And now we're going to take our one hand from our hip. We're going to punch up. And then we're going to take the other one up. And bring that one back down to our hip. So it's going to go up and to your hip. And up. And remember to bring it all the way down to your hip. And we're just punching up above our heads. Just up above your head. There we go. And a little bit faster. 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 And as fast as you can go. There we go. There we go. Well done, guys. Well done. And shake it out. Shake it out. Okay. Keep your arms next to you. Now we're going to flap like a bird. So we're going to go from here. We're going to go all the way up. And touch at the top. And down to your hips. And up. Keep those arms straight. And up. And down. And we're just flapping our arms like a bird. But keep your arms straight, straight, straight. And make sure your hands touch above your head. There you go. Well done, well done. Keep flapping and let's go a little bit faster. Gonna try and fly away. There we go. Well done, well done. And two more. One and two. Awesome, awesome. Okay, now we're going to go into our lower body. Okay, so we just finished our upper body, doing our nice punches. We're nice and strong. So now we're going to go into our lower. So what I want you to do is open your legs just a little bit for coach. Just a little bit. And we're going to pretend we're a butterfly now. So not a bird, we're going to be a butterfly. So we're going to have big wings. We're going to fly from here all the way. We're going to bend our knees. Bend, 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 bend. And we're going to touch the floor. And we're going to fly up again. Straight legs. And then we're going to go down. Bend your knees. Bend, 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 bend. Touch the floor. And up. So you got to make the biggest wing, the biggest flap that you can. From there, all the way. And up. And all the way. And remember to bend those knees down when you go down. There we go, all the way. Touch the floor and up. And keep going. Good job, good job. There we go. Keep bending your knees when you go down and up. And we're gonna fly away. And last one. There we go, guys. And fly to your water. Go grab some water. You guys are doing very well. There we go. Take a little bit of a break. There we go. Deep breath. And out. And in. And out. There we go.
Okay, now we're going to test your balance. Okay, so same way we need to eat a balanced diet, we need to have a balanced workout, we also need to know how to balance ourselves. Okay, so we're going to bend on our knee like a flamingo. You're just going to bend your leg back for coach, like this. Okay, so you're going to put your arms up, and we're just going to balance. Just balance. There we go. Awesome. And we're going to go over to the other one. Okay, so pick up the other knee, like a flamingo, back, and let's go. Balance, balance, balance. There we go. Nice. Keep that leg back. Awesome. Now I want you guys to go. We're going to swap over to the other side again. But I want you to make your legs straight, and we're going to rotate our ankle for coach. So just make your ankle go in a circle. Keep your leg off the floor. Let's see if we can balance while we make our ankle go in a circle. There we go. And let's go to the other one. Up, straight, and make a circle, coach. Make a circle. There we go. Whichever way you want to go. Well done, well done. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to go into a lunge. So we're going to step forward, both feet facing forward. We're going to bend both knees. That back knee, we're going to bend down to the floor, almost touch the floor, just a little bit. And we're going to go up. Okay, we're going to go again, down, bend, and up. Watch from the front. So we're going out, both feet forwards, down, and up. Same leg, down, and up. Let's go another one, down, and up. And we're going to go to the other side. So now other leg forward, bend both knees down, and up, and out, down, and up, out, down, and up, and one more, down, and up. There we go. Now we're going to make those a bit more difficult, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to step forward, we're going to lunge down, but then I want us to take our leg and put it at the back like a curtsy, okay? So the same way you would curtsy with your dress, you're going to step forwards and curtsy and up, and same leg forwards, down, and curtsy and up, and forwards, down, curtsy and up, and again step forwards, down, out, and up. Then let's go to the other leg. So step out, down, curtsy, and up, and out, down, and up, and out, down, and up, and again out, down, and up, and let's go one more, and up. Awesome stuff. And check your legs out, check your legs out, check them out. Let's go get some water, have a little bit more water. There we go. Just a quick break. Okay, while you're having your water, watch coach. We're going to sit down in the sit-up position. Okay, in our sit-up position like this, knees bent, feet on the floor. And we're going to pretend that we are digging a hole on this side, and we're building a castle over there. So we're going to go from one side, dig, and build, and dig, and build. But watch, coach's back, he's leaning back. Okay, he's not sitting like this. Okay, we're leaning back, we're going from here to there, and there, to there. Remember, you got to go next to your body. And let's go for coach from one side to the other. Good job. Keep going. Dig that hole. Build the castle. I want to see who can build the biggest one. There we go. Good job, guys. Good job. There you go. Awesome. And I want you guys now to lie on your tummy. So now we're going to lie on our tummy. Lie on your tummy. And we're going to take our legs and we're going to kick like we're in the pool. So we're going to pretend we're swimming. We're going to kick, kick, kick. And we're going to swim with our arms. So we're going to go out and around. So watch. We're going to kick, kick, kick. Go out and around. Okay. Let's go again. Out and around. And out and around. And out and around. And keep going. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. I don't want to see your arms on the floor. I want them up off the floor. Off the floor. There we go. There we go. There we go. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. And stand up for coach. Stand up for coach. Dust yourself off. Dust yourself off. There we go. And I want you guys now just to bounce up and down. Just bounce up and down on the spot. However you feel comfortable. Bounce up and down. There we go. There you go. Keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. And just bounce on one foot. Can you bounce on one foot? There you go. And let's go on the other one. Bounce on one foot. Just one foot. There we go. Awesome. And now we're going to pretend we're climbing up a mountain, okay? So we're going to pick up our arm and our leg at the same side. So same side, up and down. Now we're going to climb up and down and down and down. Watch from the side. Down. And keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. There you go. All done, all done. Almost there, boys and girls. Good job. And now watch, coach. You're going to have one foot in front, one foot at the back. Both pointing forwards. And we're just going to jump and swap. 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 And then let's go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. There we go. Well done, well done. There we go, almost there. And go get your water. Go have a sip of water for coach. You guys are doing very well, we're almost there, keep going. Okay, I want everybody to stretch up to the sky for coach, up to the sky. Take a deep breath, go. And down to your toes and breathe out, go. And up. And lean to the side. Lean to the one side, don't fall over. And to the other side. There we go. And up to the middle. And lean back for coach. Lean back, lean back. And go touch the floor, touch the ground, touch your toes. And I want us to go, like us, make a corkscrew again. Go from side to side. From side to side. There we go. There you go. There you go. And I want us just to kick our legs out, so jog on the spot. And just kick your legs out. Kick them out. Not high, not hard, just gently. There we go, kick them out. Awesome stuff. Boys and girls, you guys did so well today. Coach misses you a lot, but I'm very proud of how you guys are doing. Moms and dads, please remember to comment or subscribe, or just to let us know how you guys are doing, or any feedback in general. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys on episode 12. Remember to listen to mom and dad and look after yourselves.